Welcome back to City Foodie Farm. Today we are going to be making some delicious turmeric chicken. This chicken has great flavor. It is coated with coconut milk along with some turmeric, curry powder, cumin, cardamom, ginger. So many great flavors going on. And it's baked in the oven. Super healthy dish. And if you want to hear more about this turmeric chicken, you can head over to cityfoodiefarm.com. On there we have it paired with some roasted zucchini and apple chutney. And when we recently made it, we served it with lentils, the recipe that I uploaded this week. And if you're new to my channel, I love cooking for my family and try to use a lot of ingredients that we grow, a lot of simple ingredients. Try to use a lot of non-processed stuff. Try. So if you enjoy this recipe, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and make sure you turn on that bell so you can be notified when a new video is uploaded. Thank you so much for everyone for being here. So let's get back to making this delicious and healthy turmeric chicken. And here's a look at the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe, and I will leave a link below. You will also need 2 chicken breasts. So grab a bowl. You'll be whisking this coconut milk together. Sometimes it separates, so whisk it together. And next we'll be adding in our spices and our other ingredients. And now stir all of your ingredients together and you will notice this beautiful color. This is from the turmeric and the curry powder. It's so beautiful. Now grab a dish. This is my favorite dish to use, and pour in a little bit of this sauce. And then you will be adding the chicken breasts on top. And you'll be pouring more sauce on top. And you just want to make sure that your chicken breast is completely covered. So just kind of spoon on if there's any bare spots. And you can add some chopped cilantro on top. This is gonna make it have a great flavor. I love cilantro. If you're a fan of cilantro, let me know in the comments. It's really healthy actually, and so good. And now you can top it with parchment paper, or I'm sure tinfoil would work just fine. And this chicken will be cooking at 400 degrees for approximately 50 to 60 minutes. Just check the internal temperature of your chicken to make sure it is safe. And what I did halfway in, I flipped my chicken. So the top was submerged in that liquid. And then you can put the parchment paper or tinfoil back on and then place it back in your oven. And continue to cook it until that 50 to 60 minute mark is. And this chicken is ready. I ended up cooking it a little bit longer. I had a lot of stuff going on. Making lentils, rice. Sometimes stuff gets left a little late, but it's still nice and moist and so delicious. You will be cutting up your chicken and then drizzling in some of that leftover sauce. That sauce that's in the pan is so good. So that's my little trick to keep chicken tasting good as for leftovers is having your chicken in some kind of liquid. So when you go to reheat it, it doesn't have that icky reheated taste. I don't know if anybody else notices that with meat, but that's my little trick, is to have some kind of liquid with it. So, what do you guys think? I think it looks delicious. It is. It's so good. So now you can dish up your plate. We added some rice and some homemade lentils, and then the chicken. This was such a great meal. And lastly, make sure to drizzle on some more of that sauce on top. And of course, some chopped cilantro. And now you can enjoy. This dish is so good. And I hope you guys can make this, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. Please subscribe and come back to my channel. I've got lots of recipes for you. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, happy cooking.